Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to pay with your virtual Visa card on Amazon in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Amazon website. Once there, take a moment to make sure you are on the official Amazon online store before proceeding further with your payment setup. Once you have confirmed that you are on the Amazon homepage, the next step is to access the account section. Look towards the top navigation area and locate the option labeled Account and Lists. Clicking on this section will reveal several account-related settings and options related to your shopping experience, giving you a gateway to manage your account details. This area is designed to help you customize your orders, review your memberships, and importantly, manage your payment methods. After entering your account section, proceed by selecting the option that directs you to manage your payments. You will find this by looking for the label Your Payments. This part of the website is specifically set up to allow you to control and update how you pay on Amazon, ensuring that you can quickly and securely manage your various payment methods. Taking this step is crucial as it leads you into a secure environment where you can add or update your virtual Visa card details without any complications. Once you are in the Your Payments area, the next action is to add a new payment method. Carefully locate the link or button that says Add a Payment Method. This action will open up a form where you will have the opportunity to select your preferred type of payment. At this point, you have clearly signaled to Amazon that you wish to introduce a new way to pay for your purchases on their platform. After initiating the process to add a payment method, you will be presented with different payment options. Here, make your way through the interface by selecting the option that corresponds to credit or debit cards. This choice will ensure that you are directed to the proper input fields that accept Visa card details, including card number, expiration date, and the security code. Be sure to double check that all information is entered correctly, as these details are crucial for successful processing. Once you have selected the credit or debit card option, the next phase involves entering your Visa card details accurately. Take your time to carefully input the card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit security code on the back of your card. By ensuring that all details are correct, you can minimize any errors that might result in a delay or disruption in the payment process. Finally, after verifying that all required information is providing the correct data, click on the button that says Add Your Card. This final step will submit your Visa card information for processing and link your virtual card to your Amazon account. With your card successfully added, you are now ready to shop with confidence and enjoy the convenience of using a virtual Visa card on Amazon. This concludes our tutorial on setting up your virtual Visa card as a payment method on Amazon. Enjoy your seamless shopping experience and rest assured that your new payment method is now securely integrated into your account.